by nobody else, but I'm serving. Oh, you still shop a bruh, hit me jigging you on purpose.
See me, I'm a blessed man.
They say they fuck with you, but do they really mean? Man, all this money, she gon' wanna take a picture. Yeah, feds watching, see me posing for the picture. Yeah, they gon' know real money when they see it. Pray to God that he bless me with that lamb. Pray he switch it up, then bless me with that jacket. Pray he keep no greedy niggas off my bag. All this money, the hottest nigga in the summer, steaming in the summer. With two bitches by my side who don't speak what I speak. Don't eat what I eat, but drop straight to they knees. And if you think that's fucked up, then you don't see what I see. Teach her how to bring that trap back. Show her how to pull that gap back. She don't speak no English, all she know is trap that. I ain't tryna save her, but I might just save her. And all this money, she gon' wanna take a picture. She gon' wanna take a picture. Yeah, feds watching, see me posing for the picture. Yeah, they gon' know real money when they see it. Pray to God that he bless me with that lamb. Pray he switch it up, then bless me with that jacket. Pray he keep no greedy niggas off my bag. All this money. Why?
Yo.
So I got.
What are you, some kind of energy freedom fighter?
No, Mr. Cat, I'm in this game to make money like anybody else.
So what about money, Jake? You like her?
Do I like her? I've never thought about money as a she.
She lies there in bed at night with you, looking at you, one eye open. Money never sleeps. And she's jealous. And if you pay close attention, you wake up in the morning.
I think I'm in love.
Hey, it's a bunch of things on Twitter that Elon done updated.
I think I'm in love.
And shout out to bro.
So I be damn you take it from me.
Word to bro.
I think I'm in love.
I think I'm in love.
I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
In love.
With that motherfucking money. I done fell in love. With that motherfucking dope. So I get some drugs. And start to move the dope.
It's so cold
in these streets. Keep my
my
fire.
fire.
Fuck a coat. I might roll a 3-5. No scholarship, got hope. I'm so player at the layer. I got gators in my moat. And I know, yeah, I know how to go and get the dough. That's all I need. I think I'm in love with that motherfucking money.
I coded this with Kimmy.
I think I'm in love. So I be damn you take it from me. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
I ain't never played it this good. Damn. Jinx myself. Everything. Got background music and everything. It's still a little glitchy, but you know. I think it glitched. Oh, there you go. Some cheating. One more time. I got 2 minutes. Let's go. The helly? Come on now. That was lame. How they gonna send the ball where the things don't match or reach? This the type of things you get when you join the Discord. Damn, this might be my best game yet. Every time I say that. I knew, you know what? That was my best game. Look at God.
If she ain't trying to learn a trade, then I'm doing that bitch.
All right. It's your boy Ricky. I'm a Golden Pocket VWAP trader. It is Wednesday, 10:30. Excuse me. And I think Bitcoin's dumping. See what the bot's been doing. Okay, bot took a couple dubs today. Took a couple dubs today. What did it do yesterday? Today. Yesterday. I made $9 yesterday. All right. I'm at update $9. So in Discord, I drew this. Looks like we're getting a little push up. That might have been the long. I was telling everybody if we held the daily GP, then we can get long right here. All right. And then a potential short up here. But I am leaning towards the downside. I feel like, I hate saying those words, I feel, but we opened up bearish. Typically, I say this will probably flip back bull, and it's possible. This could play out. We can keep going up here, and keep pushing up to the spot line, 66.6. But I'm thinking that is not likely because of USDT dominance. Because if we're going to bounce, we need to start bouncing now. And once we start losing like previous day GP, this is our only little level of support right here. And USDT dominance, GP opened up, USDT dominance daily GP opened up as support. No, I'm stumbling. So day 2 right here at support. They either, we've already started moving up. So if it's going to chop around and head back up here to previous day GP and its spiral line, Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptos probably going to fall. Walked in with it on. Cheese, sweet macaroni. So that is yet to be seen. I am leaning towards Bitcoin dumping. Even if we get a little pump, USDT pulls back to the daily GP and just plays right here. That's very possible. So we have to watch this little zone right here. Now, bearish, or I guess bullish for Bitcoin on USDT is if we get back below the daily GP and we start dumping and come on down here to the bottom of the month to date. Clear out these lows, pick up whatever money is down here, and then we start moving up. So if that's the case, then Bitcoin will probably get some legs. Get on back up here to Q3 GP 69.5 all the way up here to 70, 71, 70.1. That's in the cards. Even if we dump back down to month to day GP, we got another week, and we got the rest of the week, and then we got next week. I think the new monthly GP is Saturday. So yeah, if we dump back down to month to day GP, I will be interested in getting along down here. I'm interested in getting along right here. And other than that, I am in a short from somewhere in here. I got shorted open. So low time frame looks kind of bearish, but 15-minute looks kind of bullish. But like I said, I would be more inclined for us to go up if we hold previous day GP right here. I mean, this would make most sense. Like if we're bullish, then we need to act like it and get on up out of here. Other than that, they reset this going into the rest of the week, and we just make our way back up to the quarterly golden pocket. On the regular candles, we've already tagged the quarterly golden pocket. And the thing about these GPs, these GPS zones, the high time frame GPS zones are like reversal city. Like, and I'm gonna throw the VWAPs on. So looking at the 15-minute, if we were to hold this daily GP right here and we continue to, maybe there's something like that. But if we came back down and back tested this Q3 GP on the regular candles, it would send us back to previous quarters golden pocket. But on the Heikin-Ashi, that's where the Q3 GP is sitting. It's somewhere right here, like all the way up to 70K. So not quite to previous quarters. But if you didn't get in the long, it would be the long on the back test of this and then up to 72,000 probably. And then down. That's if we're bullish. Now, if we're bearish, and this is what I was getting at before I went on that little spiel. High time frame, golden pocket zones, like yearly, quarterly, are pretty strong. Like you see, we got right here, we got above the Q2, came and tagged this, whatever month GP this was. This is a whole, what is this? February. We came back up here, tagged February, and the bottom fell out. But I was saying that to say we don't stay at these quarterly GP zones long. Even the year to date, like you see, we got up here to the year to date and we left it. And before then, we hadn't came down and touched a year to date GP in a while, other than coming down here to this previous year, which is what's this, 25? So price dumped all the way down here to previous year GP and bounced. And you see when we tag these quarterly GPs, we just tag them and go. Tag and go. Play around, tag and, dump. So I'm saying all that to say, the question is, this is us tagging it. Is this it? Do we play around here from, so we got a week to, if this is something from Q3 GP down to month to day GP, do they dump us the rest of the month? I don't see them doing that, but it's possible. I would rather they dump it here. Let's take these highs out, come to the top of Q2 GP or Q3 GP, and then come on down. Or maybe we bullish. Time will tell. We'll definitely have more information next week. But we got to play with what we got right now. So this is interesting. If this holds, But if we're about to start getting dumpy, I ain't with nothing. I ain't with nothing. I ain't with nothing. I'm gonna throw on a long. Just a hedge. I'm gonna hedge my short. What's Ethereum doing? That was wrong. We broke See, ETH came back below its Q3 GP. And what's crazy is so ETH is either front running Bitcoin, and this is about to pump, or we got a dumping coming because ETH has already came up above Q3 GP, came back below it, back tested this pump, I should say, bounced, got back above. So technically, Q3 GP is now support until it's lost again. So Bitcoin can pull back, ETH can pull back, and then we continue up. So I still like the pullback. I don't think longs are ready, especially if you're not long already. I suppose if ETH, if it's bullish and they don't wait. Let me show you what the GPS does. Oh, we can throw on tripping. Forgot about the breakout. Okay, so this changes things. I do like this is top behavior. I'm not saying if this couldn't happen, but if it's bullish, it kind of doesn't need to do this. Kind of just need to I mean, we could come back down here to the weekly VWAP. But yeah, this is 4 hour. All right, so yeah. This is top behavior. Even if they squeeze it back. And maybe we don't come that low and then head back up. Now, how that's going to play out, I don't know. Is the short right now? Let's see. Possibly. If we can't get back above daily GP, we should start dumping pretty fast. Enough financial advice. I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Low time frame for the night. We can watch out for this though. So if daily GP holds right here, short up here. Weekly GP or weekly VWAP. She want one thing and one thing only. Or, you know. She gonna know her legs work. Let's see if Soul is saying the same thing. Yeah, Soul. Anybody want to short the Soul? Scalp down to 9-day GP weekly. What day is the 9-day reset? We got 3 days on the 9-day. We got 4-day reset tomorrow. So yeah. I like that. Easy invalidation. If you see me smoking on your business, do this by my loan. Get money made, them niggas feel like you the best, bro. If you want to eat for free, you crazy, take your meds, bro. So yeah. Now, it's invalid. We get to doing something like this. It's over with. But come on with this. And this squiggle we trust. Yo. What up, Alex? Hype has been dumping the last few days. Is it done? That's the question. I kind of like along here, but only. Or else it's just about to continue dumping. Is this worth a risk? Let me see. It's a little 2% move. Girl, what you doing? Tell me what you're doing. Yeah, yeah. Trying to come through. Yeah. Come smoke with me. Me. I've been waiting to short this for forever. This thing just don't want to dump. I've been really, really patient. I feel like I've been really, really patient. And it opened bearish. Like, it opened bearish yesterday. It has bearish VWAPs all day yesterday. And it still kept going. Because I tried to short up here. And it was a good short, but it never got lower, you know. It just started creeping its way back up. Doesn't look terrible now. I mean, if this thing is about to break out. If it doesn't just finally die here. What in the world is NES? Let's see what ChatGPT say. I mean, because if this is the short, this is the short. But this thing could easily just go. So we got in this ape short yesterday. It's probably time to take some profit. Could have sworn I had a short up on this thing. Anyways, we got short up here. That's doing good. Elsa, I wanted to get a short on this. Missed that, so that's out of here. ENA, I wanted to get short on this. Thought I was going to go a little higher, and it still might. Look like it's trying to now, so this might get a little juice in it. But the short was right here. This little might come higher. We'll watch that. I wonder if this about to pump again. Or it's just done. I don't like getting in trades in the middle of whatever this is. But it came down to daily GP and it gave you some divergence a little bit. My bad, I have not been looking at the chat. Yeah, I'll look at near. Yeah, man, I'm glad that somebody is using the things I built. Feels pretty good, not gonna lie. On the low time frame. Get rid of this. It open bullish. But I mean, how bullish is it for real? It pumped all the way up. VWAP's open bullish, but this looks bearish. I'm like, I might even set an alert to short this. If it doesn't just go down now, then like this looks. Maybe bounce down here. See how we came down here to Q3 GP started out below the GP and gave us this divergence. I'm pretty sure if you pull up the RSI, this is divergence, and that was the bottom. And since then, we've been bouncing on the Q2 GP, so it's safe to assume if we can't get back above it, you know, if this is it right here, if we can't get back above it, then, you know, we're going lower. But this looks bearish. People be scared to short stuff like this, but man, this is let it come on up. Let's see what the boxes are. Yeah, so we've already lost this demand zone. So yeah, I could see this coming back up here. Then maybe up. But if Q2 or bottom of Q3 doesn't hold, I think it's gonna go. This might be setting up for a big dump. Near protocol. It's about to go damn near to the bottom. The only thing that will change that is if we get back above the daily GP. I hope that helps. Let's see how this soul short is doing. Solana, Solana, we love you, Solana. It takes all my money away. No problem, man.
I don't think the world should find my YouTube. I would love if everybody could see this amazing squiggles of mine. I be squiggling, I be squiggling, I be squiggling, I be squiggling.
Well, while that's doing that,
We'll worry about it later. It's a native token of Nessa, a decentralized layer 1 blockchain focused on privacy, preserving AI inference. The project aims to let AI models process data in the decentralized network while keeping inputs private and producing verifiable results. Rather than relying on centralized AI providers, here are the key points. Ticker, blah, 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 blah. From a trader's perspective, AI narrative is highly volatile, increasingly. This didn't tell me anything. And whether it is has characteristics of a coin that can make a strong wave 3 move. If you're looking at a trade, I can also break down. I'm not looking for a trade, but what do you see? Yeah, I would invest right now. Bullish, blah, blah, blah. If I were trading it, I wouldn't FOMO. Pull back support, VWAP. This told me absolutely nothing. You know what it'll tell me? Twitter will tell me. My tweet coming up as top. That's no good. Short line open Thursday. Who was that? I don't think this is the same NES. Twitter was no help. Let's see if Bitcoin is thinking what I'm, or let's see if the site is thinking what I'm thinking. It's saying that the stack is bare. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. Short, only a 15-minute closes below 65.6. Well, looks like that's about to happen. I shorted up here. I'll take profit down here. Tag that. This thing might be finna break out, man. For sure with it. Hey, I would go get it so quickly. Yeah. Slow with me. Oh, with it. Bruh, what? There There we go. I was like, where did I give this short at? Hey, I bought a pound, broke it down to the dual decimal. Turn me up some decibel. I don't fuck with edibles. Feeling so incredible. So incredible. So incredible. Hey, hey, hey. Short time or long I was trying to take during New York did not play out. The ENA. Yeah, I didn't even check any of this for analysis, but this thing is telling me everything that I've already said. That's what's up. That's what's up. Raisin. I had did I have a position open on this thing? So I've been in this SUI short for like 2 days and it's still negative. Up $11 on this. Down $16 on ENA. Should probably just close it. I ain't no quitter. Shoot, give me $200. I need $200, man. I don't got $200. You want to see my account? I got $20, bro. I got $20, bro. Give me $200. I got $20, bro. My AI plan is $20. I can give you some trades so you can make some money. I got like way too many accounts to keep it with. I think this might be cooked soon. Open up bearish. Monthly GP. If we come up here, I'm getting short. Look in the mirror, that's the man you gotta be. Money on the edge, that's a thing. When I was in the trap, I used to do it for the weed. Yeah, I'm watching the Jordan OPN too. Same thing. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Same thing. When the dream is so to me. I like it a lot. Yeah, if these VWAP stay bearish when it comes on up here, I'm getting a short on OPN, doodles. Doodles is bearish, is about to die. Look for a short as it rides to the bottom. I mean, it may bounce right here, but I do it. I would not short it right now, but it's coming down. Guess it could bounce right here and then go down. But this is bearish. I already lost daily GP. I don't like it, so taking it off. Try to get long on Velvet today. The VWAPs are kind of bullish. They're bearish right here. Still giving the same vibes though now. I don't like the longs anymore. It looks like it's about to go. Gonna take these lows. All these shit coins are looking pretty terrible. Let's see if we can go find a long, go find a short. I need a ride, I won't deny it. Baby, come and fuck with me. I should call you Hennessy, baby. You the only 10 I see, baby. You know I like my bitch like I like my weed. Sweet honey, can't you taste on you, baby. Pussy don't amaze me. She ain't making money. Baby, you can't get with me. This is not a charity. This might be done. This might be done. If it's love, I won't fight it. This might be cooked. VWAPs are bearish. This usually means it's cooked. I wonder if they take these highs again before they send it back down. Is it worth the risk? Back down to weekly GP. Activating elevator. I'm sitting here talking about it. I probably should be getting in a short. How is the soul short doing? Oh, Biddy came down. Okay. All right. ETH might, if it's gonna bounce, it should bounce. It should bounce. But if it's not, and we start losing previous day, it should done pretty fast. Which direction? Which squiggle? Which squiggle? Which squiggle? Put some money on it. It's just funny you can ask for money. I haven't been doing YouTube long enough, bro. I barely got 100 subscribers. I'll give away $200 when I get to 1,000 subs. On my mommy. You wouldn't know it. You got away. You won't see my face. Damn. We're not gonna go back up. They're not gonna sucker me into a short. Bags of the tree. I don't know. Get high, bro. I don't really trap no more. Man, I got stung. I got stung by a bunch of bees today. I'm in so much pain. I would have thought the pain would have went away by now, but it hasn't. I feel miserable. See what else maybe needs to get short. You already know where you came from. If you need trash, use your back door. No, that's not ready. Wish I would have seen it to get along. Life is what you make it. And I'm a money maker. Same shit, different day. Saying ain't getting paid. Not a reason why you hate. This might be about to dump even more. This is ridiculous. But you see, couldn't get above the 9-day GP. 9-day GP resistance, and it's a 9-day GP right now. I'm taking a short. If it busts out a 9-day GP, then just it wasn't the time. Just call my phone if you're stressed. Get your lights, man. I'm parked on the road. This is probably about to just take it all back. I've been through. If it wasn't for the music, I don't know what I'd do. If it comes back, we'll get short again. Oh my mommy, because 9-day resets in 3 days. So rejection. Didn't even come take the high. Send it down. God bless my mind, cause a nigga going crazy. Scanners got some or heat map got some good shorts going on tonight. Ain't looking for no longs, that's for damn sure. What's on the Elliott wave? Nothing going on the Elliott wave. This thing wants us to get long 65.6. I don't know if I agree with that. 65.6. I mean, that's the level. I mean, yeah, we would bounce right here. We're gonna bounce. So I get why it's saying that. What's the stop loss? 65.384. 65.384. So it wants so long right here. 65.384. 65.384. Target 67. Back to the daily GP. That's the trade. It's given the trade because over the next 4-hour trend, market Oracle, mark Bitcoin A plus, this plus liquidity. Don't you fall in love? Holy shit is real. My typing is so dyslexic. Let's take it.
Oh no, BTC long is lit. Private book is tracking.
Well, we'll see how that plays out. Oh, that you would be the one. Bots are watching for a long on what they doing. As long as easy. I don't know. I like along here. The hell he? I don't think I can draw on here. Can I? don't see anything. Nothing. I mean, I can see along here, but I'm just paper trading, bro. I gotta fix this, cause why isn't take my $10? Let's take 5. So when you close the trade out, it'll automatically post in the feed. Am I tripping? Where is it? Oh. See, it says open up a short. And I close the short. My little $5. I'm in 4th place. Next to my bots and whoever this is. Person, what you mean? Oh, tile. Did Tile ever figure out? Didn't they have like something bad happen to them in the news or something? Tile looks like it's about to dump some more. Bitch, I got a sack. We've already lost this trend line. 9-day GP, like this was the top. We've already back tested weekly. Well, we're currently back testing weekly GP. If you're not short and they get a pullback to this trend line, it's a risky short because they could take it up a little higher. Come back and tag it, then go. Yeah, it's looking like it's starting up, so back test of this break, send it on down. Let's see what the 15, let's see. Yeah. I mean, literally, if it's gonna bounce, they need to do it now. Take this bottom. Tile looks bearish. I don't have the gall to short right here, but I mean, it could literally just play around right here. Keep heading down.
Well, she was saying my list of love and none of pain. With that, I run away. Playing with the players play. Just like them haters hate. That's that shit they haters say. I won't listen. I can't fight it. The secret's out. I fell in love. I can't hide it. So the squiggle I drew at the beginning of the day. My partner's tell me run quick. Came down a little lower than I was expecting. Or no. Yeah, it did. But I mean, that was the gist of the long. We came down here and took the low. So we basically have, do we SFP this? Yeah, we pretty much SFP this low. So this is the long that the bot gave. So we're testing it out in real time. You know, someone with a gray man at her snap. What's your name? You know that's not pretty bad. Trying to tell no matter what she's saying. Yeah. Let it know, yeah. When we first kissed. If you don't let me in. Let the script. Change it up, get back to us just like we never quit. Never did. I won't ever quit. Real quick. Yeah. Shawty made me feel like this is something. Yeah. Don't quit. No. Stomach. Yeah. I want the bot to be right, but I'd rather be right because I'm in a short. But it's okay if it's right because I'm in a long. From the bottom of the 1 minute. I'll cut half of my short when we come up here and tag this box. That's all I'm waiting on. I don't know why I have so many alerts on USDT. I just be needing to know, you know? Let's see if there's any significant longs that we might want to entertain. I'm clearly still getting used to this new UI. I don't like any of these coins. I ain't looked at Ray in a long time. Not Cushington's all in my swisher sweet. If she fall in love, don't get mad at me. For by the foot, really by the feet. Mary Jane, she a part of me. Blunts claw like an artery. If you not smoking, then you ought to leave. If you not smoking, bitch, you ought to be. And if you smoking gas, you can smoke alone. Back a punch, how you struggling? It's cheaper to keep it, but quicker to leave it. Rolling it. I mean, if you're gonna long it, I mean, it would literally be now, or it's about to like come all the way down here to this month to date VWAP. Should we gamble on the long right here? VWAPs are bullish on the Heikin-Nashi, but they could flip bullish on the regular. Or just a retest of 9-day GB and then more down. It doesn't look like it's worth it. Hold on, let me see. It's cheaper to keep. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Y'all get to see me go through coins, what I think when I'm just looking at stuff. Most of all of this is looking like it's just going to die. Tag Q3. And that's all I do. Yeah. It's a nice little dump. I may entertain a short here. Yeah, add that to the watch list. You would be like, how can you be in so many trades at one time? Because they're all doing the same thing. Dying. Like, this looks terrible. Even though it's trying to bounce, like it bounced right here on the week to date. Shot back up past Q3, rejected on a weekly VWAP. And what VWAP is this, and why did it just reset? I don't know why this did this, so we need to figure that out. I mean, if it's gonna bounce like that other coin, that ain't even worth looking at, to be honest. This thing right here died so fast. Cash cat. It makes me mad because I started to short this thing from up here. Should have. Looks dead. Like it's gonna keep going down. Not touching it. It's crazy. All these coins were literally pumping yesterday, and now it's just dead. Miss the way you love me. Yeah, I don't like longs. So. I think I got enough coins to watch.
You know you wanna take a flight with me. You know you can't stay and fight my love. You know you don't wanna be with me. You know you can't stay and fight my love. You know you can take a flight with me. You know you can't stay and fight my love. I guess I am managing like 5 trades right now, so I don't recommend it. But I guess 4 because the other ones are pretty much in profit. They dragging these trades out tonight. I ain't got nothing to do. You know you can't stay and fight my love. These are coins that are supposedly about to dump. Let's check them. I gotta fix this because why is it doing that? Me by my love. Yeah. You know you wanna take a flight with me. Yeah.
My niggas start thinking FaZe was dead. It's the sucker shit that's dead. A nigga still.
You're now listening to the smooth sounds of Rick and Thaddeus music.
Lately you've been doing shit I don't need. I thought you was the one, turns out I don't need you. Most of these coins have already pretty much dumped. I guess not. It's got a lot lower to go. This actually doesn't look like it. I mean, yeah. Man, I'm not doing nothing. Let's go ahead. Damn it. Ave. I suppose if it can hold this daily GP, come up here and attack this supply zone. But if it breaks down, back test the daily GP, come on back down here to weekly GP. just like this move.
Except they're just not going to take out the high.
Yeah.
I guess if it's bullish, I mean, this is still viable. Along here, the daily GP, but
I don't like it. I don't even like a long right here, because I feel like if we would come this low and take out these lows, then we'll come back on down here to this month to date VWAP. Which is what this is. So
I don't know. I don't really like Ave. I'm indifferent. So, well, I guess this, if this, if it doesn't bounce right here,
then this would make the most sense for a long. I do like that on the 5 minute. I post this in the Discord. But if this weekly GP, or not weekly GP, this weekly VWAP doesn't hold, I would suggest or suspect that it would come on back down here.
big confluence right here, 9-day weekly. We got 3 days for the 9-day reset, so
This would need to hold if it comes here. If it's bullish, it would just bounce here and go. Yeah, I like this long. I'm gonna set an alert.
my foot hurts so bad. And
You cut along with the bot on Ave. I gotta start paying attention. I don't even be catching it at them trades. I be doing too much. I haven't had the time to even
sit and watch for anything because I keep going in there and finding things I need to fix, and then
okay, what long?
gave a near long. When did you get long on Ave? Oh, this is the alt bot. Is this not all my bots? I would assume the snipe.
Do I not have a history on this thing?
All I ever do is face it. Living life is so amazing.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, my weed you really taste it.
This thing isn't.
Oh, it says latest picks. I was like, it's not supposed to have 6 trades open. It's supposed to be capped at 3. I don't know. This thing's been over trading. That's from a day ago.
Old money, new money. Yeah, nigga got that. Rolling baseball bat.
Word.
A nigga tryna win the league. Old money, new money. Yeah, nigga got that. She know a nigga got that. You know I hit.
That's why the win rate is so sucky, because it's been opening up multiple trades.
I don't wanna change his if she pull up with that.
I need to go look at what's going on with this. I'll do that later.
I am not a fiend, but I roll it when I can. My folks said I need to quit.
I need to give these bots a little bit more money to trade with, like the gold bot.
Hey, don't do business with your friend. I got the contract for your pen. I'm a sinner, I'm a sin.
Yeah, so all the bots are designed to look for, well, majority of them, let me say, they're designed to look for 1.5 to 2% moves on alts, and Bitcoin 1% moves. But they're all meant for scalps. I don't have a single swing bot, but nothing has been swingable as of lately. So, you know, we'll just take it level for level. I'm not trying to hold a trade for long.
I took $1 and dream and invested it. I got the catalyst, fitness the recipe. This shit I've been through, I feel like it's destiny. Hoping that these demons don't get the best of me. Pray and meditate for peace and serenity. Can't fuck with you if I don't feel your energy. I'm doing everything good for my health. I'm trying to build generational wealth. Staying focused when you going legit. Can't disappoint, so I will never quit. Increase my incomes, I got about 6. Working my muscle, I'm mentally fit. Chasing my goals, help me keeping my sanity. Trying to turn all my dreams into reality. Yeah, the control, she can tell by the fumes. No, I'm a rebel, I'm breaking the rules. Told her stay away from all negativity. Baby, you know it's all about longevity.
Yeah, it's a little scary how accurate they are. But you know what, so as of late, people have been hitting me up. People have been hitting me up to get my data from my bots because their bots haven't been profitable. But I know the reason why their bots are not profitable, because they don't have my indicators. And all these, for the past year and a half, all of my indicators are pretty much reversal indicators. You know, like, the golden pockets indicate is the level junkie. And then if you want to extend the levels to better see what's going on, you got the breakout levels. I don't think anybody else has our levels, man. Like, this is crazy. And then on top of that, we got the tactical deviation. Where is that? Tactical deviation. I'll pull that up. And I only really pull up tactical deviation when I need to see a top or a bottom. Because when we come to deviation zones, you see, we bounce. Especially when we get divergence at them. We never came and ran this, and then you could have took the long up here, and then look. Hit deviation zone. Didn't come quite give you divergence, but it tapped it again and sent it down. And I take those. These are the type of trades the bots take. The bot knows to come into 2A, 3A deviation zones. Monthly, this purple is monthly deviation zones. And like, if you look on a higher time frame, if I turn the daily deviations off, well, shit. And this is like not trying to be like knowing anything else in trading, but I don't like souls. I think I was looking at Bitcoin. Anytime we come to monthly deviation, short, 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 short. And they played around right here for a little minute. Didn't come take the high. Spider line confluence, monthly deviation confluence. I'm pretty sure daily deviation. And then we can turn on the GPS and see where the GPS was here. Monthly deviation plus GPS quarterly equals rejection. And if we come back up here, I'm going to short it again.
And that's what the bots are doing. And everybody else's bots are like, like somebody messaged me and said that they are using like moving averages. And I was trying to explain to someone else that your bot doesn't like moving averages. I don't know what kind of language I can use for this, but like your bot, well, maybe it's just how I trade. If you're a swing trader, we're not in the swing trading environment. So mean reversion is all I know. And if you are using moving averages, you're late. I would even go a step further to say certain VWAPs, you know, sometimes VWAPs are late. For example, look at Leapfrog. If you trade it just off VWAPs, the actual trade wouldn't have been to the daily VWAP reset, and it reset bearish. And then you could have traded it down to the weekly VWAP, which is where we're at right now. And this was a day ago. Oh no, yeah, this was a day ago. Today we reset bearish as well. So this is previous day VWAP right here. So that's even more confluence. If we come down to this simple moving average, I'll definitely entertain a long here. But I'm sorry, I just saw that on the wind. All that being said, VWAPs are good for knowing where price is going to come back to. GPS zones are good for knowing where price is coming to. Deviation zones on top of GPS zones make for the best shorts and or reversals. Month-to-day GP or month-to-day deviation, we started finding the bottom here and then opened up and just kept going up. Last month, we found the bottom, got this divergence on the 2 hour, and it was just chopped, but you could have scalped, you know, once you got this divergence, even though it took forever. That's a 7% move, no leverage. Yeah, monthly deviation is like key. You know price is oversold or overbought when we're in monthly deviation. You ain't even got to look at the RSI. So yeah, all that being said, I guess if people wanted successful bots, then they would come get my indicators because they're better than MACD, all that shit is late to the game. We're already in the game when it's late to the game. Juicy.
ETH has been looking a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin. I'm wondering. I'm wondering if this holds up. I may get along. You just talking. I am in a short though, but it's neither here nor there. I probably should have took some like medicine because I got stung by all these bees today, but I'm not dead, so I think I'm okay. Money, money, funny, money, money, funny. Do I know meta signals? What's meta signals? Is that a person? Is it an indicator? Starting to feel like they're not gonna let us get in the short here. She texts me like, I ain't got time for that. They do algorithm alerts. No, I haven't heard of meta signals. Money. I couldn't handle any more signals if my brain tried to. Not gonna lie. I've been working on this NASDAQ bot. It's not profitable yet. I just started working on it, so it's kind of doing pretty terrible. But I know what I need to do to fix it. So I'm trying to break out. You can trade NASDAQ on or you can trade NASDAQ and MNQ on Kraken. And with the API, you can use the bots. So I'm either going to use the bots to trade the NASI, scalp the NASI, or scalp MNQ. But I need to be profitable before I can scalp MNQ. But yeah, it's been doing like trade for trades. but I think it's an easy fix because I got these to be profitable pretty fast. Even though it says 46% hit rate, it's still profitable. Man, I've looked at so many signal providers and things of that nature. To be honest, them giving me AI was like the wrong thing they could ever do, because I am a type of person that I want things to go a specific way, and if I've learned it to do these things this way, then I need everything to do it that way as well. So I bots have trained off my data and how I trade, and the only thing I haven't implemented in the bots that I haven't found a way to do is give them my VWAP stack. And only because every time I give it my VWAP stack, it gets confused. But if it had my VWAP stack, it would be able to identify what's a bullish stack and what's a bearish stack. And I don't know why it can't. And maybe when I got some time, I'll try to like run a bot that only goes off the VWAP. But if I can get it to understand that my stack is bearish, green, orange, red, purple, which is 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour daily, then I think it would be stupid profitable, because the VWAPs don't lie. We opened up bearish and look what happened. We got this little dump. And now if price starts to pull back up, if say this is a bottom, say this long works out, the VWAPs will start flipping, the green will come under the red. The only reason the purple isn't showing right now is because it's an 8 hour VWAP and 8 hours hasn't been went by yet. So it'll show its face when the 8 hours is up. But we can see into the future, because if you turn on the Hikinashi candles, I'm giving away all my sauce, but if you turn on the Hikinashi candles at the beginning, you can see it gives you a stack. So we had a bear stack when we opened up on this one, and you can see now it's trying to turn bull. So like I said, that long would work out if we start coming back up here. But if we reject right here the daily VWAP, you know, we go lower. But as far as every open, which is why I was like, hey, USDT opened up bullish, and you can see we shot up right now, and now USDT has flipped bear. So damn, I might need to be in a long. Hold on. Now I'm doing TA out loud. I'm thinking about it. Pass me no But yeah, the VWAP stack, nobody has it. Bullish stack, green, purple, or green, orange, purple, red. They don't like, these are old stacks, so they're spread out when they're old, but when they're just forming, they're all together. And 9 times out of 10, the stacks will tell you where price is headed. Like Hype had a bullish stack this open, and then when you put them up with the GPS, you get a system that nobody else has, because the GPS told us Hype reset is bullish, or the GPS told us price was right here when the GPS opened, and the GPS opened up as support. We held the GPS. The VWAPs opened up bullish, so we would at least look for a trade. Oh, look, I've already given this trade. So yeah, we've looked to trade this thing back to yesterday's high. I think this is yesterday's high. Yeah. At the minimum, yesterday's high, but it looks like it could squeeze up to weekly VWAP if it wanted to. And then, you know, from there, if it bounced, then we would look to get short up here at the previous day GP. But looking at this, you know, it could come as high. Come on now. But yeah, that's the stack. Bullish stack. You see, I gave this trade and was kind of trying to play out. You know, might chop around all day, all night. Look at that. Velvet finally popped. Well, I can get rid of all these alerts. So Velvet is a good example now. So even though it's rejecting a daily VWAP or daily GP, the VWAPs are bullish. So it could potentially squeeze back the previous day, potentially. Well, I'm getting tired of clicking. I've been clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking. 2 hours, man. Yeah, let me get off. All right. I don't know who's here to the end, but I appreciate y'all. Hop in the Discord if you're not in the Discord. Check out my terminal, Snipers RF terminal. I've got bots. I've got signals. My bot is on a hype long right now. It's up $4.
GPS zone just tagged on the 1 hour. Pull up that 1 hour chart real quick.
It also talks to you and tells you to pull up charts. What did it say? Damn, I gotta add a notification thing on here because I missed another. I heard it say deviation zone for something. Let's see if it said it in stuff. Let's see. Yeah, I missed it, but yeah, I'm getting out. If you make it to the end of this 2 hour live, watching it in the future, this is the Snipers terminal. I'm gonna do another video on it because I keep adding stuff every day, and I need to fix things as well. But other than that, get in here. You know what I'm saying? Get you a lifetime membership, and you can create some bots using my stuff and my way of creating things. I even got the prompts for you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, day passes are $5. Weekly passes are, you know what? I don't even know, like 15 or 12. And then the monthly is 25. And then lock in for a lifetime is 333. I'm doing deals, you know what I'm saying? So holla at me. I ain't going nowhere. We finna build and build and build and build. Trading shouldn't be so hard. And we're trading against all the algorithms, flock cameras, the government, India, the Asians. Everyone's trading right now. And I ain't gonna lie, I think we got some of the best edge. And nobody knows because nobody knows me. So, all that being said, check out the site. Oh, also, your boy is an award-winning vibe coder. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why this site isn't updated, but it should be updated. Something's not right. But yeah, your boy is #1 Kraken winner, vibe coding. And it's crazy because I only gave them like a sample of what we got now.
These are my agents built with Kraken CLI. You can click into them, see what they do.
So yeah, shout out to me. Maybe shouldn't have shown that because somebody was in my inbox asking for $200. But you know, I'm broke, baby. I only got $21, baby.